take this club to somewhere?
But we have to think not on the results. We have to be focused only of the style of our style of the quality of play. We have to be focused only on to enjoy and to show our quality because I think we are not ready to think only on the result because we are not used to playing for this target, only this.
Brighton Football Club manager here, Zerbi, speaks after a huge defeat from Everton Football Club. As today, things are not going as planned, as Brighton Football Club has been punished for 50 goals over one, and of course, it's one among of the fantastic one among of the historical defeat. And here, Zerbi says the players lacked the concentration after conceding the first goal in the first minute of the game, as players were not good today. They were not glad today on the pitch. Of course, they were out of the pitch for almost all minute. That's why their opponent uses those weaknesses to punish them. But now he's just talking about the performance of the Everton Football Club players, as they played very well. They created a lot of chances, then they used those chances effectively. And he has also been appreciating the closure of the Brighton Football Club for their hard working on the pitch, despite they have not got what they wanted. But he has been appreciating the great performance, the top performance from the lads, as they showed the sense of spirit, the sense of fighting, and the sense of struggling on the pitch. Of course, here Zerbi says it's time now to think about the next games of the Premier League. Of course, they have remained almost 3 games of the Premier League so as to end this season, as he believes that Brighton has the great opportunity to win those games if only the players will just work hard. If only the technical bench would just fulfill their responsibilities, and if only supporters and the fans would just also fulfill their responsibilities. And in fact, here Zerbi says it's a time now to be together. It's a time now to work together. It's a time now to work the team, because the only way to win the Premier League match is to make sure that they feel their responsibilities. And in fact, that's all about football. That's all about the 90 minutes of the game. As of course, Premier League is just one among of the hardest league in the world. So